My brilliant Shua, may you please raise your right hand and repeat after me. I, please state your name.
I, Brilliant M. Chua,
Having been duly elected
as
Prime Minister
Prime Minister
of the League of Transforming Presidents,
of the League of Transforming Presidents,
do hereby solemnly swear
that
I shall faithfully and conscientiously fulfill
I shall faithfully and conscientiously fulfill
to the best of my ability,
with
my best dream boy smile, the duties and responsibilities of my position, to always promote the spirit of unity, friendship, and camaraderie, to always share the best drinks
the
world has to offer for free and to help maintain the essence of fun, fellowship, and bonding between and among my classmates in whatever way possible, pursuant to the League's motto of Bawat Transforming Magaling. And I impose upon myself these obligations with a lot of mental reservation and a certain degree of intoxication. Again, with a certain degree of intoxication. Intoxicated ka na yata. But with full awareness of the purpose of this entire situation. So help me God.
So help me.
Congratulations!